You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fucking fight back. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fucking fight back.
Trying to evolve, running out of time, trying to solve. Running out of mind, I've revolved, trying to find what I lost. All I'm on what it costs. I've been trying to curry no sauce, trying to bury my thoughts. Cold heart, hurry, more frost. In my sights, all blurry eyes cross. Wasn't raised, wasn't pulse. Going in my grave, wasn't pulse. Riding on my wave, you get tossed when I'm paving it's off. Any other way, I've been lost. Nowadays, paid to be sauce when I'm not even too throw. Too cold, flow sweet like glucose. Arms like that's too close. All guap, never did it for the kudos. Yeah, you'll follow your fate, don't plan it. You're holding that weight, just man it. Get ready or not, don't panic. Light up my block, botanic, tannic. All of my plays organic. All of my days are manic. Yeah, all of y'all hate can't stand it. And it's free fake, that's standard. I've been at the top so long I got no way down. Haters that they playing but this not no playground. See you tryna pull me but I don't feel way down. Heard you tryna play me but your boy don't play it.
Hey, I pull up, hey, with the bag. Hey, if I need to work I hit the lab. Number sitting on the dashboard, but it ain't about the speed, it's about that rhythm.
This is how I ride, this is how we ride. To alive, do it for my tribe. Pull up, then we slide. 45, we gon' glide. Pull up, then we slide. 45, we gon' glide. Pull up, then we slide.
Yeah, I was chasing a check, it felt like chasing a jet. I I was on lag, was doing bad, boy, I was sick with the strep, ayy. F it, I need my respect, ayy. But I could feed for neglect, ayy. That just helped me in my rep, go. Up to the skies, up to the stars, like I be smoking on Mars, ayy. Don't need the cars, don't need the broads, I just deliver the bars, ayy. Bitch, I was stuck in a box, had me feeling like a mime. And since music is my everything, I had to call it a mime, ayy. This is the moment of prime, ayy. This is the moment of time, ayy. I don't do nothing but shine, ayy. But don't need the jury, it's fine, yeah. I'm taking life as a sign, ayy. I don't leave nothing behind, yeah. Fuck the gold, I'm the young cat, 9 lives in a bind, ayy. Oh, we the truth, from no glory to glory, yeah, we did it smooth. Might sound weird, but sometimes I just like to lose. Help me learn my lessons, taught me how to move, ayy.